Joe, and I want to show you the Oreland Stormwater Management project here. Finishing part of it, I'm sure. That's the last part of it. I'll see in mud right now. Flash flooding here. That's what it's designed for. Nice, you know. Still take water off of this part of Oreland and run it down into a holding tank, and then release it slowly into the creeks. This is your mud stream field here. They finished all this stonework, ballast stones in the retention field, and still got some left over, I'll bet here. 3/4 inch to 1 inch ballast stones, and just about done it, I'd say. Yep. See where they're putting the pipe. They have a pipe here. This pipe out to the road. And still got the filter paper left over. And, yeah, big pile of stones there. They must be doing more work later. Can't imagine what here. But this is kind of like the last part of it. Good idea, basically. So with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.